On the cost side of things, how is it possible for a company like Halliburton or others to get away with $40 bananas or however much it was? So
Yeah.
the overhead costs.
Look, what they will claim is that it's expensive to move logistics through a country at war. But they get away with it ultimately. Um, these insane this insane war profiteering, and they're not alone. Obviously, there are other companies that this is their business model. They get away with it because of their political connections and the lobbyists that they have, the relationships they have with politicians, and ultimately what President Eisenhower warned against with regard to that cozy relationship between Congress and even what he called then the military industrial complex. It's been alive and well. He warned us against it, and I would say it's thriving more now than ever before.
How powerful is the military-industrial complex? Is as a thing? Is it a machine that can be slowed down, can be stopped, can be reversed?
It can be. It's powerful. I don't think you can overstate the powerful nature of it because it extends so deeply within our government. It's not just those in these specific big defense contracting companies that benefit from it. You look at the revolving door within the Pentagon, for example, where you have both high-ranking people who wear military uniforms, as well as those who serve as high-ranking Department of Defense civilians who are literally working their way into a big payout when they leave that job. We see it with our own Secretary of Defense now. He retired as a general officer, went and served on one of the boards for one of the big defense contractors, and then now back as the Secretary of Defense. We see the same thing in Congress with members of Congress and senior professional staffers in Congress. Same exact revolving door where you have people, whether they're writing contracts for the Department of Defense for the company that then wins the bid for that contract and then going and working for that company, or those in Congress who are writing policies and doing exactly the same thing.